Buried in lines of code, someone spots something that shouldn't be there yet. References to Grok 3.5 API 2K P2 hidden in XAI's web infrastructure. A leak that suggests one of the most anticipated AI models of 2025 is about to drop any day now. This isn't just another AI update. This is Elon Musk's XAI preparing to unleash Grok 3.5, a model that promises to think from first principles rather than just regurgitate what it finds online. And the timing couldn't be more interesting. Right now, we're witnessing an AI arms race, unlike anything we've seen before. On one side, you've got OpenAI with their reasoning model O1, Google with Gemini, and Anthropic pushing boundaries with Claude. But there's a new player that's been turning heads. DeepSeek from China, which just released their R1 model that matches OpenAI's performance at 95% less cost. They're doing it with fewer resources, clever engineering, and open source philosophy. Into this battlefield steps XAI with Grok 3.5. But here's what makes this fascinating. While everyone else is playing it safe with content filters and restrictions, Musk is positioning Grok as the unfiltered AI that prioritizes truth over political correctness. It's a bold strategy that's already caused some hiccups, like when Grok 3 started randomly mentioning controversial topics in unrelated queries. The leaked code tells us more than just a release date. Testing catalog spotted references to new features like screen sharing capabilities for voice mode on iOS. Think about that. In an AI that can see what you're looking at on your phone and respond in real time. That's the kind of multimodal interaction that makes AI feel less like a tool and more like an actual assistant. But the real game changer is this first principles reasoning approach. When Musk talked about this back in April, he gave examples from electrochemistry and rocket engineering, where Grok would generate unique answers not found anywhere on the internet. That's fundamentally different from how most AI works today. Instead of being a really smart search engine, it's attempting to actually think through problems. To make this happen, XAI has built one of the most impressive computing infrastructures on the planet. We're talking over 200,000 H100 and H200 GPU chips, with plans to add B200 processors. They call it Colossus, and it's not just big, it's been deployed faster than almost any comparable system. That speed matters because in AI, iteration is everything. The competitive landscape makes this launch even more intriguing. DeepSeek proved you don't need infinite resources to compete. Their hybrid architecture uses 1.2 trillion parameters, but only activates 78 billion per task, making it incredibly efficient. Meanwhile, XAI is going the opposite direction, throwing massive compute at the problem to achieve their first principles reasoning. According to the leaks and Musk's previous statements, Grok 3.5 will first roll out to Super Grok subscribers. That's their premium tier. The beta was originally planned for late April or May, and with these code references appearing now, we're right in that window. Pricing through the API matches Claude at $3 per million input tokens and $15 per million output tokens. Not cheap, but if it delivers on the reasoning promises, it might be worth it. What's particularly interesting is how this fits into XAI's broader strategy. They're not just building another chatbot. They're preparing for Grok 4 later this year with features like persistent memory and integration with productivity tools. And that Microsoft Azure partnership they announced for Grok 3, that could give them the distribution they need to compete globally. The real test will be in coding capabilities. Current Grok models lag behind in this area, and that's where models like DeepSeek and Claude have been eating their lunch. If Grok 3.5 can close that gap, while maintaining its strength in reasoning, it becomes a serious contender. But let's zoom out for a second. What we're really watching is a philosophical battle about what AI should be. OpenAI and Google emphasize safety and content filtering. DeepSeek focuses on efficiency and open source accessibility. And XAI? They're betting on unfiltered truth seeking and first principles thinking. What do you think? Is this approach to AI reasoning the breakthrough we need, or is the unfiltered philosophy too risky? The evidence suggests Grok 3.5 could drop any moment. Those code references don't appear by accident. When it does launch, we'll finally see if XAI can deliver on these ambitious promises. Will it revolutionize how AI thinks, or will it be another incremental improvement dressed up in bold claims? One thing's certain, the AI landscape is about to get a lot more interesting. Whether you're a developer looking for better reasoning capabilities, a researcher interested in first principles AI, or just someone curious about where this technology is heading, Grok 3.5 represents a significant moment in this ongoing revolution. Keep your eyes on XAI's channels. Based on these leaks, we might not have to wait much longer to find out if Musk's latest AI gambit pays off.